Lot number 140 is a 2019 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. This one has heavy collision damage on the passenger side. This is going to be a great parts vehicle for any junkyard or any partsman out there. There's a lot of good parts here. The true miles are unknown. We get no power to the dash. It looks like they took the whole fuse panel or relay. I don't know what they did here, but you can see all the power cables are disconnected. It's got a dead battery. We tried to put power there, but nothing's happening. A lot of plugs unplugged. So they took some electrical components out of here. It's got a 3.5 liter V6. The true miles are unknown, but the next service due was at 20 something thousand miles. 22,600 miles was the next service due. So potentially may have less than 22,000 miles. Again, true miles are unknown. This was a public service vehicle. This was not a police unit. This was a public service, a public aid. And it's a nice car, but it took a really hard hit to the passenger side. And I think what's left here is a parts vehicle. The body may have twisted or shifted. The doors are badly damaged. Windshield's cracked. Front bumper's coming loose here from the fender. The whole passenger side is damaged. The fender's damaged. The front bumper looks like it's not bad. Front bumper is reusable. It's got the nice headlights. It looks like those will have the LED trim. It's got nice alloy wheels. The tires look good. The engine, transmission, and exhaust system are all in place and appear to be complete. Potentially 20 something thousand miles on this. The hood looks good. Let's make sure this corner over here is good. Yeah, the hood looks good. Fender's damaged, but the hood, headlights, grille, front bumper, all look good. Here's the driver's side. Nice and straight. Fender, both doors, all the glasses there. Driver's side looks good. Driver's side tail light is hanging and may have broken the clips from the accident. The liftgate looks good. I can't open this one because there's no power to it. And even the rear quarter panel doesn't look too bad. So I'm not a body specialist. I don't know. Maybe this could be fixed. Or maybe it's just a good parts car. Either way, it comes with a clean title. Tail light over here is broken too. Nice wheels, nice tires. It's got a big cutout on the rear bumper, I just noticed. Looks like they cut that out for some reason. Let's look inside. This one does not have a third row seat. Both side curtain airbags deployed. It's got a nice tan interior, cloth seats. The rear ones look good. They're dirty. And they're getting a little rainwater in here. Rear door panels look good. Here's the driver door panel. Looks good. Steering wheel looks good. Dashboard does not appear to be cracked. Front seats have nice seat covers. The airbag did deploy on the seat. And the seat cover did not let the airbag out. There's the passenger side. I'm sure that seat looks good, but it is getting wet now because rainwater's getting in. It's got the nice center console. And that's it. It's being sold as is. It could be a good parts vehicle. I don't know if it's repairable. You decide. It's lot number 140. 2019 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. Good luck.